One of the audio effects that you can use in Audacity is Paulstretch to make it seem as if you're repeating yourself with a weird effect. So in order to show you an example, I'm going to go around and record an audio. So this is the audio sample that I'm recording to apply the Paulstretch effect in. So over here I have the audio, and now to apply the Paulstretch effect, I'm going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard so that all of the audio clip is selected. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into effect right here, and you can see Paulstretch is an effect. But before that, let's hear out the audio that we have. So this is the audio sample that I'm recording to apply the Paulstretch effect in. So you can see that it sounds normal, so I'm going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around into effect and apply Paulstretch right here. So once I do that, it has the stretch factor and the time resolution, as you can see. So if I were to preview this, so this is the audio. It stretches out the audio twice, and then it applies the time resolution, that is the repeating section right there. So I can go around and make it slower as well. So let's say I'm going to make it 3 times slower, and the delay for the effect is going to be 0.3 seconds. Then if I were to preview this, you can hear that it sounds slower right here. I can also not change the stretch factor right here and preview this. And you have such sort of a roboty effect right there. So let me just stretch it out 1.5 times. And here for the time resolution, I'm going to say 0.4 right here. And once I'm ready to apply the effect, I'm going to press OK. And what happens is that the effect is applied, and you can see the audio wave change. So now if I were to play the audio, you can hear that the Paulstretch effect has been applied and your sound sounds robotic. So that is how you can utilize the Paulstretch effect inside of Audacity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.